How to cancel Roblox Premium on mobile. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you cancel Roblox Premium on mobile. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So what you have to do is, first thing, you want to make sure to open the Roblox application and log into your account. As logged in, you'll then be taken to this section you could see. And here, what you have to do is click on the more from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. Then you want to go to the account, or you want to go to the settings, and here you'll be able to find the subscription list. You want to simply go there. Since I do not have a subscription at the moment, so the interface will quite different. So what you have to do is, on this page, you just need to follow the on-screen prompt. Just click on cancel subscription and you could follow the prompt, and that way you'll be able to cancel Roblox Premium on mobile. So that is how it actually works. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.